Ever opened Canva and felt overwhelmed by all the buttons, menus, and templates? You're not alone. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate Canva like a pro. Let's make Canva feel simple, fast, and fun. Once you log into canva.com, you will see this purple dashboard. On the left side, you see this create button, home button, projects where all your projects will be stored, templates where you can find templates for your Instagram posts, YouTube videos, or anything. Here's your brand kit, Canva AI, and apps. On the top, you will also see these three buttons. If you click on your designs, you will see all your designs that you have previously made will be shown here. You can also search for designs and upload everything that's in your Canva dashboard. Then you can see templates. Here you can search for templates. Whatever type of templates you want, it will be shown here. And you can search any template. For example, we'll go for Instagram posts and we will hit search. See, you are seeing all the Instagram posts they have to offer. There are literally millions of designs you can choose from. This icon shows that it's a paid template. So to use this template, you will have to purchase the pro version of Canva. But you can also see there are many other templates that you can use that are free to use. You can also change style of posts and category of posts. Third button you see on the top is Canva AI. Here you can tell Canva that I want to build this and this and this, and it will create for you. For example, design this for me, create an image, draft the document, code for me, create a clip, whatever you want, Canva can do it for you. On the left side, here's your home button. Home button is where everything related to you is stored. Projects show all your previous projects that you have worked on before. Templates, it shows all the templates Canva has to offer. You can browse by category, you can start exploring randomly. Let's say I want an Instagram story. So once you click on this, it will show us only the templates for Instagram story. You can just customize it however you like. Here's your brand kit. It's a paid option. So to use it, you can try it for 30 days, but eventually you will have to pay for it. Canva AI, it is what I explained before. You can build anything from Canva AI. Apps, Canva offers multiple apps that you can integrate for your designs. Once you go to the creating part, I will show you how these apps can be used, and we will be using a lot of these apps. This is the notification button. This is where all your notifications will appear. On the bottom right, you can see Ask Canva. It is powered by AI, so if you're confused about anything, you can just come here and ask Canva and they will help you.